Om Shanti. 25th July 2021. Avyakt Murli. Original date 20/2/1988. The way to finish tiredness of the mind and the body is to have a powerful remembrance. Bap Dada says, you children know that Bap Dada is responsible for service. Only the one father is Karan Karavanhar, and he has been touching people's intellects and carrying out the task of world service, and he will continue to do it. He simply makes the children the instruments, because those who do something will receive the fruit of it. It is the children who will receive something. The father doesn't want to attain anything. It is souls who are to receive the reward and also experience the fruit of service. This is why he makes you children instruments. You saw the task of doing service in the corporeal form, and you are now also seeing how the father Karavanhar is working through Avyakt Brahma and getting the service done. The speed of Avyakt service is very intense. The one who inspires is inspiring you, and you are dancing like puppets. This service is also like a play. The one who inspires is inspiring you, and you, as instruments, are creating a multi-million fold reward with each step. So, who has the burden? The one who is inspiring it to happen, or the one who is doing it? The Father knows that even that is not really a burden. You refer to it as a burden, and so the Father also uses the word burden. For the Father, everything is already accomplished. Everything is just like drawing a line. Does it feel like a big thing to draw a line? So, Bap Dada enables service to take place in this way. Service is also just as easy as drawing a line. You are simply repeating everything for the sake of it. You are simply playing a game. Baba says, just as the obstacles of Maya are a game, so too service is also not effort but a game. By thinking in this way, you constantly experience refreshment in service. Whatever task you carry out with enthusiasm in your mind and with happiness, you won't feel tired doing that. You won't feel it to be a burden. So Bap Dada says, Bap Dada is looking at the records of both remembrance and service, because a balance of the two brings you extra blessings. Let the link of remembrance be forged with your intellect at every moment. Baba says, even 1 second of powerful remembrance makes your body and mind fresh. Blessing. May you have a right to a Sun dynasty status by remaining aware of your elevated fortune and by staying in your powerful form. May you have a right to a Sun dynasty status by remaining aware of your elevated fortune and by staying in your powerful form. Baba says, those who constantly keep their elevated fortune in their awareness have a powerful form. They constantly have their eternal and real form in their awareness. They never adopt an artificial face. Many times Maya makes your form of virtues and duties take on an artificial form. She makes someone angry, someone greedy, someone unhappy, and someone peaceless. But your real form is beyond all of those things. The children who remain stable in their real form Claim a right to a Sun Dynasty status. Slogan: Become one who has mercy for everyone and the ego of I, and any doubts will finish. Become one who has mercy for everyone and the ego of I, and any doubts will finish. Om Shanti.